These are the 106-inch by 12.6-inch acoustic wood wall panels, a set of 20 black decorative soundproof 3D slat panels designed for walls and ceilings. The idea behind these panels is to really enhance both the look and the sound of a room. They aim to create a more serene soundscape while elevating the overall ambience. Looking at them, they have this modern 3D slat design in black wood, which adds a sophisticated visual element to any space. The material is wood, and they come in a rectangular panel form. One of the big selling points is how easy they are to install. You can use either glue or screws, making the process pretty hassle-free whether you're putting them on a wall or the ceiling. The panels are also customizable, meaning you can arrange them in different patterns to fit your specific design needs. The quality is described as impeccable, meticulously crafted for both durability and visual appeal. It's good to know they're also considered eco-friendly and a sustainable choice, which is a nice bonus for environmentally conscious customers. So, if you're looking to improve the acoustics in a room, maybe reduce echo or noise, while also adding a significant decorative feature, these black acoustic wood panels seem like a solid option. They promise to bring sophistication and a better sound environment to your home or office. The set of 20 panels covers a good amount of area, allowing for a substantial transformation of a space. The combination of sound absorption and visual design makes them a dual-purpose solution for interior design challenges.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.